Getting the gold standard bird, 39.71. Again, somebody's getting a gold coin out of this break. Good luck. Dice roll. We're going 9 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 here, 9 here. Jets up top, Ravens at the bottom. 9 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 here. 9 here. Brian up top. Chris Hill at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Again, Jets did not sort. They're at the top. All the other teams did. Again, we'll rate them for the gold coin after the break. Good luck, guys. Gold standard bird. Here we go. And gold standard bird. Again, somebody gets a gold coin out of this break. Gold American Eagle. Thick pack here. Good luck, good luck. Starting off with a nice one here to 99. Will Levis. 51 out of 99. Titans and Josh Cox. Next up, George Kittle. 34 out of 49 for the Niners. Sky Moore Gold Gear. 155 out of 299 for the Chiefs. Jalen Waddle. 242 out of 299. We got 3 autos in this box. It might be even 3 RPAs in this box. First up, Jackson Smith-Njigba. 28 out of 149, Seattle. And Spencer Smith. Nice one there, Spencer. Smith-Njigba RPA to 149. Next one up. No, this is a nice card. Dante Hall Alchemist. 22 out of 24 for the Chiefs and Craig Nixon. That's a sweet looking card, Craig. This is a sweet looking card. And Dante Hall, the original human joystick. Last card of the break, Hendon Hooker. 26 out of 49. 3-color RPA for Detroit. And Kevin Basso. There you go, KB. Pretty good box there. And let's recap it. Got Jalen Waddle. Sky Moore. George Kittle. Will Levis to 99. Jackson Smith-Njigba on the RPA. Dante Hall to 24. And Hendon Hooker RPA to 49. 3 autos in that box. And that is the break. Thanks for the fill. But let's see who gets the gold coin. Again, good luck. Good luck. Dice roll. We're going 5 times. I'll have the randomizer up. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The Houston Texans. And Craig Nixon taking down the gold coin. 5 here. 5 right here. Again, that is the break. Thanks for the fill.